1.
Okay, once you launch Collaborate, you'll see you're greeted with this blank page, essentially. Sometimes it's referred to as the whiteboard, or just in, you can see up here, a new page. You can do a lot of different things with this when sharing notes or drawing out examples. I just want to draw your attention to a couple of tools up here. So you can start off, you can change the background of these. Again, this is much like any program. Using this is, or your ability to use this is going to get better, obviously just more often that you do use it. Sorry, let me get to the background piece. So this very bottom piece, you'll see all of the different tabs here, but I can change the background to mimic a chalkboard or some, and that's just for effect, but there are some more practical applications for math or science. Here is a XY graph. There are, you could use a map of the United States or the continents, country view, just a couple of different things that you can do. There's graph paper there as well. If we go back to just the basic whiteboard, you can use, there's math operations to type in. So if you want to square root, however you want to place that within here. So there's some of the basic functions there. Back out of that, and I'm going to clear the page. The other feature that you can do, you can draw. So you can click here on the pen, and you can see here, change the thickness, however you want to draw. So if we want to do a basic math problem, this does take some practice. You can see here, I'm not real adept at it because you are using a mouse to draw. I've seen Ronnie Moore get progressively better at it, and she's become quite the expert. So again, like any application, the more you use it, the better you're going to get with it. Okay, so you can use the drawing tool. There is a text box tool, much like text box work within a Word document. So you can draw the area in which you're going to type. So however you want to insert notes or whatever, you can also shapes, and then a line can be drawn as well. So I know I've seen Ronnie at Meadows use shapes to describe, let's say, force and directional or opposition to that force or friction. So those are just a couple of the tools. And another point that could be used is here we can look at items of interest. So if I want to make sure I draw everyone's attention to this square, I can click and it's going to put a little mark there, and next time I click, the mark will change. So we're going to look at that text, we're going to look at this problem. So just a way to draw students' eyes to that. Okay? That's the whiteboard, basically. There, you can clear the page, you can create a new page. Once you create a new page, then we're not necessarily starting over, so we can create new information and save that, and then I want to go back to what my first page was, and I can scroll through all that up here. And so that's one way to utilize notes. In the next bullet point of this training document, you will see how you use or how you share applications within Blackboard. Collaborate. Thanks.